Welcome to my channel NCERT 11th class biology. Coelom. Presence of absence of cavity between the body wall and gut wall is very important in classification. The body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Animals passing coelom are called coelomate. Example: Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Hemichordates and chordates. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by the mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between the ectoderms and endoderm. Such as the body cavity is called a pseudoderm. The animals possessing them are called pseudoderms. Escarmenthes, the animals in which the body cavity is absent, are called platyhelminthes. Coelom pseudoderms. Diagrammatic sectional view coelomates pseudoderm effluent. Segmentation. In some animals, the body is extremely and internally divided into segments with a serial repetition of at least some organs. For example, in earthworm, the body shows this pattern called metameric segmentation, and the phenomena is known as the metamerism. Knot cord is a mesodermally derived and rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during the embryonic development in some animals. Animals with a knot cord are called chordata, and those animals which do not form this structure are called non-chordata, porifera, and two echinodermata. Classification of animals. The broad classification of animals based on common fundamental feature of mentioned in the preceding section is given in figure 4.4. Kingdoms: level of organization, symmetry, body cavity, phylum. Annelida: cellular level, mostly asymmetry, ascendant porifera. Tissue organ system: radial, asymmetric, cylindrata and cylindria. Bilateral, without body cavity, platyhelminthes with false coelom, pseudoderms with true coelom. Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, chordata. Broad classification of kingdom Animalia based on common fundamental feature. The important characteristic feature of different phyla are described. Phyla porifera. Member of the phyla are commonly known as the sponge. They are generally marine and mostly asymmetric animals. These are primitive multicellular animals, have cellular level organization. Sponges have a water transport or canal system. Water enters through minute sporosphere in the body wall into a central cavity sponge cell, from where it goes out through the osculum. This pathway of water transport is helpful in food gathering, respiratory exchange, and removal of waste. Cyanotes or collar cells line the spongocoel and canal. Digestion is intracellular. The body is supported by a skeleton made up the spicle spongular fibers. Six are not separated hermetic. Eggs and sperm produced by the same individual sponge reproduce asexually by fragmentation and sexually by formation of gamete. Fertilization is internally and development is indirectly, having a larval stage which is the morphological distant from the adult. Phylum Cylindrata and Canidia. They are aquatic, most marine seychelles of free-swimming radial symmetrical animal. The name Canidia is derived from the example of Cylindrata indicate outline of their body from Aurelia mollusca. Cyanida, which contain the sitting capsule nematocyte present on the tentacles and the body, are used as defense for the capture prey. Canadian exhibit tissues level of organizations are diploblastic. They have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening mouth of hypostomes. Digestion is extracellular and interstellar. Some of the Canadian example. Coral have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Canadian exhibit two basis body form called polyp and medulla. The former is a sessile and cylindrical form like Hydra, Adamsia, etc. Wherever the latter is umbrella shape and free swimming like Orilla and jellyfish. Those Canadian which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generation. Magnesia polyp produce medulla asexually and from the polyp sexually. Example phyla Portuguese man of war, Adamsia, C. anemone, C. Pangossia, C. brain coral. Phyla Senatophora. Senatophora, commonly known as a sea walnut or comb. Jellies are exhibited in marine, rarely symmetrical diploblastic organs with tissue level organization. The body bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plated, which help in the locomotion. Figure 4.8. Digestion is both extracellular and the intracellular balancer. The properties of living organism to limit light is well marked. In the Senatophore, sexes are not separated. Reproduction takes place only by the sexual means. Fertilization is external with indirect development. Example Pronunciation Centrifuge. Phylum Platyhelminth. They have the dorsal ventrally flattened body, hence are called the flatworm figure. These are mostly endoparasite found in animals, including human beings. Flatworms are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and acelomorph. Animals with organ level organization, hooks and suck, are present in the parasitic form. Some of them absorb nutrients from the host directly through their body surface. Specialized cells called frame cells help in the osmoregulations and excretion. Sex are not separate. Fertilization is internal and development is through many larval stages. Some members like the planaria possess high regeneration capacity. Example Taenia tapeworm species. Example of platyhelminth tapeworm fruit-like. Phylum Aschelminthis. The body of Aschelminthis is circular in the cross sections, hence the name of roundworm. They may be the free living, aquatic, the terrestrial or parasitic in plant and animals. Roundworms have organ system level of body organization. They are the bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and pseudodimate. Animals' alimentary canal is complete with a well-developed muscular pharynx and excretory tubes remove body waste from the body cavities through the excretory pore. Sexes are separated dices. Males and female are distinct, often female are longer than male. Fertilization is internal and development may be direct. The young ones resemble the adult or indirect. Example Ascaria, roundworm, Volchneria, Fluneria, adi. Phylum Annelida. They may be aquatic, marine and freshwater, terrestrial, free-living, and sometimes parasite. They exhibit organ system level of body organization and bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic, metamerical, segmented, and the coelom. Animals, their body surface is distantly marked out into segment or the metameres, and hence the phylum's name Annelida. Latin annulus, Latin rings. They possess longitudinal and circular muscle which help in locomotion. Aquatic Annelida like Nereis possess lateral parapodia which help in swimming. A closed circulatory system is present. Nephridia help in osmoregulation and circulation. Neutral system consists of parietal genium or connected by the lateral nerves to the downward ventral nerve cord. Nereis in aquatic forms is dioecious, but earthworm and leeches are the monoecious. Reproduction is sexual. Example Nereis penaria, earthworm, Hydrae, blood-sucking leeches. Phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda में ये सारे इंसेक्ट आते हैं. एग्जाम्पल जैसे लो लॉक्टस, बटरफ्लाई, स्कॉर्पियन जिसे बिच्छू बोलते हैं, और प्रॉन हो गया जिसे केकड़ा बोलते हैं. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट फाइलम। आर्थ्रोपोडा जो है एक लार्जेस्ट फाइलम है ऑफ एनिमल्स विच इंक्लूड इंसेक्ट। इसमें इंसेक्ट आते हैं। ओवर 2/3 ऑफ ऑल नेम स्पीसीज ऑन अर्थ आर आर्थ्रोपोडा। दे हैव अ ऑर्गन सिस्टम ऑफ level of organization. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic segment and coelomated animals. The body is arthropoda is covered by the synovius, skeleton. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdominal. They have joints, appendix, arthros, joint, poda, appendage. Respiratory organs are gills, lungs, or tracheal system. Circulatory system is open. Types of sensory organ like anthems, eyes, compound and simple scatocytes or balancing organ are present. Excretions takes place through the Malpighian tubes. They are the mostly dioecious. Fertilization is usually internal. They are mostly oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Example: economical important insect: honey bee, bombshell, silkworm, lucifer, less insect. Vector: Anopterus, skulls, and acid आदि. Pest: Locutus आदि. Phylum: Mollusca. This is the second largest animal phylum. Figure: Mollusca are terrestrial or aquatic, marine or freshwater, having an organ system. Level of organization: they are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomated. Animal body is covered by calcareous cells and is unsegmented with a distant head. Muscular foot and basilar hump. A soft and spongy layer of skin form a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between the hump and the mantle is called a mantle cavity, in which feather-like gills are present. They have respiratory and excretory functions. The anterior head region has sensory tentacles. The mouth contains a file-like rasping organ of feeding called a radula. They are usually dioecious, oviparous with indirect development. Example: Pila, apple snail, pentacle, pear oyster, sepia, clutterfish, logio squid, octopus, devilfish, aplysia sea, tusk shell, and Cotophochitans. Phylum जो होता है Echinodermata. These animals have an endoskeleton of calcareous osseous and hence the name Echinodermata. Spine, bodies, figure all are marine with the organ system. Level of organization: the adult Echinodermata are radial, symmetrical, but larvae are the bilateral, symmetrically. They are the triploblastic and coelomatic animals. Digestive system is complete with mouth on the lower ventral side, anus on the upper dorsal side. The most distinctive feature of Echinodermata is the presence of water vascular system, which help in locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration. An excretory system is absent. Sexes are separated. Reproduction is sexual. Fertilization is sexually external. Development is indirectly with a free-swimming larva. Example: Asteria, starfish, echinus, sea urchin, antedon, sea lily, communicant, sea cucumber, and optional brittle star. Phylum: Hemichordatas. Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under the phylum Chordata, but now it is placed as a separate phyla under Non-Chordata. Hemichordata have a rudimentary structure of the collar region called stomaca cord. Structure is similar to note cord. This phylum consists of a small group of worm-like marine animals with organ system. Level of organizations: they are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomated animal. The body is cylindrical and is composed of anterior proboscis collar and long trunk. Figure 4.50. Circulatory system is open time. Respiration takes place through gills. Excretory organ is proboscis glands. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect. Example: Balanoglossus and Colonoglossus. Phylum Chordatas. Animals belonging to phyla Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of notochord and dorsal. जैसे होता है प्रोबिस्के, कॉलर हो गया, ट्रंक हो गया, nerve cord and not cord, gills still, post anal cord, chordata catacetic, hollow nerve cord, a pharyngeal gills still. Figure 4.16. These are bilateral symmetrical triploblastic coelomatic with an organ system of level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and closed circulatory system. Table 4.1. Present and comparison of silent feature of chordate and non-chordate. Comparison of chordate and non-chordate. कॉर्डेट क्या होता है, नॉन कॉर्डेट क्या होता है. कॉर्डेट में जो होता है नोट कॉर्ड प्रेजेंट होती है, नॉट कॉर्ड में नोट कॉर्ड एब्सेंट होती है. कॉर्ड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम इज डोर्सल, होलो और सिंगल. नॉट कॉर्ड में क्या होती है, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम इज वेंट्रल, सॉलिड एंड डबल. फेरिंग्स परफॉर्म बाय गिल्स, जो कॉर्डेटा होता है फेरिंग्स परफॉर्म बाय गिल्स स्लिट. नॉट कॉर्ड जो होता है गिल्स स्टिल आर प्रेजेंट. हार्ट इज जो होता है वेंट्रल साइड में होता है, जो कॉर्डेटा होता है वो वेंट्रल साइड पे होता है. हार्ट इज डोर्सल इफ प्रेजेंट. अ पोस्टल एनल पार्ट इज टेल इज प्रेजेंट. पोस्ट एनल टॉल इज एब्सेंट. फाइलम कॉर्डेटा इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 supply: unchordata, tunicata, encryptus, and vertebrata. Supply unchordatas and cephalochordata are often referred to as a protochordatas. Are exclusivera. In unchordatas, node chord is present only larval still, while in cephalochord is extend from head to tail region and is present through their life. Example: unchordatus, esculents, alpha, dolisis. The member of cephalopods vertebrates process node cord during the embryonic period. The node cord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Besides basic chordate, acatus vertebrates have a ventral muscular heart with 2, 3 or 4 chambers, kidneys for the excretions, and the osmoregulation sphere upon which may be fin limbs. The subvertebrates further divided as follows. Division: